Welcome back to another Yin Homes property home tour. I'm Yin Peng. Let's get to it. Today we bring to you an exciting home tour of this expansive bungalow located in the heart of TTDI's guarded community.
This is what we absolutely love about this home. Its rectangular land shape on an elevated land. According to Feng Shui, the most auspicious plot of land is square or rectangular. The front and back facing sides of the land are equal. This auspicious feature helps to build wealth and prosperity that lasts for generations. Nevertheless, the perfect rectangular means lots of renovation potential, and the elevated land will give you a view that takes your breath away. If you're looking for a home that is the right blend of prime location, convenience, and tranquility of an exclusive neighborhood, this just might be the house for you.
Look at how wide the house is. You could easily build a pool here that will flow into the veranda. We love these arches. They add a dimension and character to the house. Not keen on a pool? You can do landscaping instead. You could plant fruit trees, design some hedges, and this could be your very own sanctuary.
For TTDI, the local council allows one story to be turned into two and two to be built into three. This means you could also have a rooftop garden or build an entertainment deck at the top of your home. Perfectly catering to multi-generational living, this home's versatile layout offers the option to create multiple rooms downstairs and expand upwards. Because of the width of the land, parking is a breeze, accommodating up to 4 cars in tandem or even up to 6 by expanding the land. This makes it perfect for the multi-generational family.
And speaking of space, the panoramic view from this elevated location is nothing short of breathtaking. The entire top area of this house can be turned into a sky deck where you could do entertainment, or maybe you just want to enjoy your morning coffee here. Stepping inside, you will find that the house has high ceilings which exudes glamour. These are classic hallmarks of old bungalows. The brick feature wall and the marble flooring all add character and elegance to every corner of this house. Oftentimes, with old houses like this, we instinctively want to tear down and start from scratch. But truth be told, these old structures are made of materials that money can no longer buy. The old timber trusses, the marble flooring, the arches, these are things that you'll find that you can incorporate into your modern design and at the same time help you to save costs.
And this kitchen, a haven for culinary enthusiasts. This versatile space can be opened up to accommodate multiple dining areas, a kitchen island, and the joy of both heavy and light cooking. There's more room at the back. The helper has her own quarters that can be easily doubled up as a utilities area for her to sort the laundry, do the ironing, and even fit a pantry here for all your dry goods.
And you can't miss out the added workspace for those productive work days that also couples as a cozy den, perfect for the man cave retreat. The little round balconies add an enchanting touch to the house. You could even turn this into little planter boxes to make the home even cozier. Let's talk renovation. While it may seem extensive, a closer look at the house reveals a solid foundation that's worth preserving, enhancing this house's charm while preserving its integrity. Because the house is so wide, you will be able to fit a large granny room with its own ensuite, a workspace, and even a guest room if you wish.
Bungalow renovations typically run from about 200 to 400 per square foot without ID design if you're building from scratch. But I don't think you need to spend as much if you're preserving the structure, which is still solid and probably better than what you can buy with today's money.
Whether you're looking for multi-generational living or a luxurious retreat, this Jalan Rahim Kajai bungalow offers unparalleled opportunities for you to build your dream home.
Located on Jalan Rahim Kajai, you'll find that you're spoiled for choice in terms of amenities, with all major banks, fancy eateries, local coffee shops, stationery shops, and much more. As we approach the area, you'll notice the wide road leading to the property, making access a breeze. A small detail that we often overlook. But imagine the road being narrow and busy on your drive home. This would add to the stress and burden of the day even more. As you enter into the Rahim Kajai Aminuddin Baki area, the wide road leading you home is mainly utilized by the local residents.
Let's dive into the details of this remarkable home.
Nestled on a higher ground, this bungalow sits on a massive land area of 7,200 square feet. With 8 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, its rectangular layout presents a canvas of possibilities. It gives you options to renovate and have landscaping, allowing you to design your dream living space.
Now let's talk price point. This home is currently going for 5 million. If you're interested to find out more, give me a call or drop me a text. I'm Yin Peng from Yin Homes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can be notified on our next home tour video. I hope to see you soon. Bye!